Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy an affiliate site with ShareASale, beginner guide step by step clearly. To deploy an affiliate site with ShareASale, start by choosing a niche for your site. Research different affiliate programs available on ShareASale that align with your selected niche. Sign up for a ShareASale account by visiting their website. Fill out the required information including your business details and contact information. Review and accept the terms of service to complete your registration. Once approved, browse through the available merchants in your niche. Take note of their commission rates, product offerings, and payment terms. Select the merchants you want to work with and apply to their affiliate programs. After your applications are accepted, access your unique affiliate links through your ShareASale dashboard. Choose a platform to build your website, such as WordPress or Wix. Select a domain name that reflects your niche and is easy to remember. Purchase your domain and hosting plan through a reputable provider. Install your chosen website platform, following the host's instructions. Customize your website's appearance by choosing a theme that aligns with your niche. Create essential pages for your affiliate site, such as About, Contact, and Privacy Policy. Start adding content to your site, focusing on informative and engaging articles related to your niche. Incorporate your affiliate links naturally within your content. Ensure that your site is optimized for search engines to attract organic traffic. Promote your site through social media channels relevant to your audience. Monitor your site's performance through analytics tools to track traffic and conversions. Make adjustments to your content and marketing strategies based on analytics insights. Continue adding new content and updating existing articles to keep your site fresh. Engage with your audience through comments and feedback to build a community. Regularly check your ShareASale account for updates on clicks and sales. With dedication and consistent effort, your affiliate site can become a successful venture. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.